to our super fabulous couple. Hi Ruchik and Asha. We just want to thank you guys for being the people you are. Kind and thoughtful, sensitive and considerate, generous and a thoughtful giver, putting others before yourselves, and for always making us feel so special. We are so proud to be Ashwikans.
You guys have touched our life with kindness.
The
loving heart that you all
all
have shows it
shown.
caring in every thought and deed. We love you guys. We love you more than words can express. You guys have showed us the real meaning of true friendship and love. May God bless you all. We love you, Ashwin. We love you.
From your fans,
From my
from
friends all over the world. Tishi.
Tanisha, Sabrina, Tashin,
Ohona,
Pavi, Suri, Anushka, Astha,
Ashika, Ashwini, Ritika, Sameen, Madiha. We can say it together.
Shazaib,
Ayman, Aruj, Mariam, Roeba, Rasna, Razan.
Really now?
Razan.
Rasna, can you give her a tight slap?
What's her name?
Razan.
I said Razan, you said Rasna.
You said Rasna. Guys,
She said Rasna.
Guys, you're watching the video, right?
Please. Razan, it's not Rasna.
You said Rasna.
Yusra, Alex, Kapursa, Aviston, DeCosta, Insha, Nayanika, Lakshmi, Manisha, Patricia, Ashna, Crystal, Nakshatra, Tereshin, आगे बोलेगी तू Syahira, Prinisha, Tahani, Shabana, Zuleika, Zaha, Ashi, Adrija, Dimpi, Gautam, Kaveri, Paivi, A,
And
Priyanka. Thank you so much, all our Ashwikans. We love you.
Okay, this is the last one. So, where do I start from? I still remember the first time I saw you both as Jay and Ashudi as a picture. Then I was a follower of you and Asha, and then came Pavitra Rishta. Arjun Kirloskar touched my heart at the first moment. I saw you on my screen and the little innocent Purvi Deshmukh. Then came a few more episodes with AK and Purvi Wala fights, which eventually became officially as Arvi. Those were the most beautiful days filled with segments, and happy 3 years of Arvi. Thank you for coming into my life as Arvi and then as Ashwik. Then came the beautiful Jodi on Nachpali, who performed so amazingly in every performance since the start. We have won millions of hearts and then won over Nachpali 6. My winners since the start. I was screaming seeing my Ashwik win. Congratulations, 1 year since you have won Nachpali. Once again, thank you for doing so much for us Ashwikans. We feel so proud and blessed to be part of our Ashwik's life. Just wanted to say I am your biggest fan from Sri Lanka. Thank you for everything. I love you both so much. May Allah bless my Ashwik with all the happiness and success in this world. Hugs and kisses and a tight wala chappi. Stay happy forever. And I'm a proud Ashwik, and she says, Sabrina Razi. Razi. Thank you, Sabrina. That's such a sweet letter.
Thank you very much, everybody. Not only Sabrina, but all the Ashwikans, all the Arvians, everybody who loves Ritvik and Asha, everybody who's made Ritvik and Asha possible. Thank you so much for all your love. Every now and then, you guys keep, showering your blessings and your love upon us, and we just keep growing, and we just keep absorbing more and more and more and more, and we keep getting hungry for more and more and more and more and more. We'll always love you.
We'll always love you, and thank you for all the love and support, guys. Like, I think
if we participate in Nachpali one more time, we'll win again.
we'll win again, yeah.
That's how confident I am. To all the Ashwikans, to everybody, is because ये हमारी तरफ से ये जो जिस तरह से आप हमें ऐसे छोटे-छोटे प्यारे-प्यारे गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं, this is our small little gift to you. I hope you've liked it. I hope you've liked the episode. I hope you've loved the episode, क्योंकि ये हमारी सच्ची कहानी है. पूरी तरह से नहीं, थोड़ी-थोड़ी सच्ची. इसके पापा ऐसे नहीं, इसके पापा बहुत अच्छे हैं. पापा इसमें थोड़े से अजीब दिखाए, पर वैसे नहीं है पापा. थोड़े रूट दिखाए, स्ट्रिक्ट दिखाए, और स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है, बिल्कुल बहुत ही स्वीट है. बट मोर और लेस यही हमारी कहानी थी. सो आई थिंक आपको ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा पर्सनल था, और हम इसको पर्दे पे लेकर आए आपके लिए, जस्ट टू एग्जैक्टली टेल यू हाउ एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, सो दैट यू गाइज ऑल्सो गेट टू नो कि हम मिले कैसे थे. हम कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों की वजह से मिले थे, इस बिकॉज हमें कहीं ना कहीं एक दूसरे की जोड़ी हमारी इतनी पसंद आने लगी थी लोगों को. तो हम सबको लगने लगा था कि यार हमारी जोड़ी तो बहुत अच्छी है सबको. तो हमें लगने लगा था कि यार सबको लगता है तो हमें क्यों नहीं लगता.
सबकी वजह से हमारे मन में थोड़ा
हाँ, और वो सबको वो जो प्यार जो जागा था, वो शुरुआत तो आप लोगों से ही हुई थी. सो
आई थिंक अभी भी जो हमारा हम इतने खुश हैं, वो आई थिंक आप सबकी दुआओं की वजह से.
आई स्वेयर टच यू.
आप सब हमें इतनी दुआओं में रखते हैं, इतनी दुआ करते हैं हम सबके लिए, इतनी प्रे करते हैं कि आपके आशिक आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जिसकी वजह से हम दोनों आज आई थिंक बिंदास ने हमारे लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही कर दिया
I
है ना
swear.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही किया है बिंदास ने हमारे लिए स्क्रीनिंग रखी है and you know they made us feel really special our love story नॉर्मल लव स्टोरी नहीं लगी हमें बिल्कुल भी
और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी लगी,
है ना हाँ
जबकि हमारे लिए तो बहुत नॉर्मल सी थी.
है ना Hi, this is Asha Negi and you're watching India Forums. Please subscribe to WhatsApp TV.